Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. My name's Nicole. Here I'm with my mum. I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. We are on our way to a pumpkin patch. I'm so excited. I've got little man there. I've got our newborn baby daughter in the car seat there. And yeah, I've never been before, so I don't know what it looks like, but yeah, I'm excited.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling,
What is it?
we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
What is it? Is it pumpkin?
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
You can hold my hand.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Oh, what is it?
Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
Tractor. Come on then, should we do this?
Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
What is it?
Is this one? Is it easy pumpkin? This is easy pumpkin.
Can you hear an aeroplane? Wow. Say hello, Mr. Aeroplane. I think Daddy's having more fun than you did. Wow. Aeroplane. It's a tree. So they've just been placed here, haven't they? So they've just been placed, haven't they? Yeah. Diggy's. Is it Diggy's pumpkin? What is it? It's the pumpkin. You're so strong. My hero. Yay! Yay! Yeah, what is it? Uh-oh, careful. Uh-oh. It's okay. You're gonna pick it up. Say, "Sit-ly." Oh, can you hear a helicopter? I love that laugh. Again! So we had a really nice morning pumpkin picking. It was really lovely, really like autumnal. I've never done pumpkin picking before. So yeah, it was really fun, and it was attached to a nice little farm shop. So we just picked up some pumpkins, some apples, some pears. I think we're gonna make a pear galette and some apple crumble, which will be nice. And we also had some food there, and it was so good. We both had the pumpkin gnocchi. It was gnocchi with pumpkin, and it had rocket and feta cheese. Oh, chef's kiss. It was beautiful. It was so nice. Dids absolutely loved picking the pumpkins, and of course every single plane that went over our head. So it's really like gloomy in here. Matt has just basically been promoted. He is now a head chef at his workplace, something that he's been working towards for a really long time. So he's just taken Didier there to his work for a little bit of champagne. I think he's really laid back, so I think that's why he's taking Dids. So I'm at home with Nina. I've just filmed a video, which I'm about to edit now, and I'm just watching some YouTube videos, and the heavens have opened. It's just pouring down, and it just feels really nice and cozy. I've got like the blankets on. I would like candles, but they'll be coming home soon, and I will forget, and my child will find the candle. Little miss here is just snoozing away. Yeah, so when Matt gets back, I think we might carve the pumpkins and see. Oh, where on earth are you rolling to? Yeah, we're gonna carve the pumpkins, and then if we've got enough time, we are hoping to make an apple crumble. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was never really a fan of like apple crumble or apple pie. Soggy fruit was just not for me, but as I'm married to a chef, his apple crumble is the most amazing like thing I've ever eaten. It's glorious, and he always serves it with salted caramel ice cream. Again, beautiful. So I'm so excited for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out now, wait for them to come home, and I'll check in later.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.